It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We've been to Marks and Spencer's again and we picked up some more of their ready meals. I got a couple planned for the channel coming shortly, but today we're going to go with their green Thai chicken curry. Chicken breast in coconut, ginger and lime curry with green beans, water chestnuts and coriander. Looks really good. You can microwave this in, if you've got a 900 watt microwave, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 750 watt is 4 minutes 30. Electric oven is 190 degrees. Fan assisted oven is 170 degrees. Gas mark 5, and that's all for 25 minutes. So the cooked chicken breast is 32%. There's probably, well, that's about a third, isn't it? You want about a third of your meal to be chicken. It cost me £4, which I think this day and age, yeah, you're gonna be paying that, aren't you? There it is. That's what it looks like. There's some kind of leafy bits and pieces going on there on the top. Looks like chopped, might be chopped coconut. Yeah, it looks like coconut to me. I was about to say onion, but the little white squares look like coconut. Right, I'm going to go oven cook. So I'm presuming you just stab the plastic for a bit and then stick it in. Preheat oven, place on baking tray, stir after cooking, do not reheat. Oh, remove sleeve, pierce film. Right. So pierce the film. And I'll be back when this is cooked. Right, here is a look then at this Thai green curry. So I took the film off, give it a bit of a stir, give it another 2 minutes. I'm always a make sure, especially with my old gas oven that's probably 17 years old now. It really smells good. Again, one of these situations in life, I have a go at making my own Thai green curry every now and again. I buy them pastes you can buy, the concentrated pastes, but they're never as good. This just smells fantastic. Gone with a spoon as well. Got to lap up that liquid. So bits of coconut actually in the, I mean, that's a start over my own Thai green curry. Bits of coconut, you know. You don't get that with mine. Maybe I should. Well, I use coconut milk. It's not coconut. It's crispy. Maybe some spring onion. Yeah, that's spring onion. Okay. What did I do with the coconut, ginger, lime, green beans? It's bound, yeah, there's bound to be spring onion in there. Onions, water chestnuts, could be water chestnuts. But the actual kind of liquid and the beans is terrific. Oh. I had the Bombay potatoes recently from Marks and Spencer's. They were called gunpowder potatoes. And I described them as being really quite limey. This has a definite lime flavour, but it's not so much that it's overpowering the other flavours. You're getting a lot of coconut, you're getting a lot of that kind of lemongrass. Oh, the chicken, wow. The lumps of chicken in here. Oh, That is tremendously succulent chicken. I'm trying to break it in. If it was like a piece of battered chicken, I'd pick it up and show you, but burn my fingers in the liquid. Wow. Trust me on this, the chicken is terrific. Melts in your mouth. Oh. The ginger, the vegetables, the coconut. This is another level. Another 2 levels of what I can achieve when it comes to Thai green curry. But I can learn from this. I can definitely learn from this. The addition of the slightly crunchy green beans, that makes a world of difference. I'm normally kind of paste, coconut milk, chicken breast. Very plain. The green beans, the bits of ginger. The veggies, if you like. It's the veggies that's kind of like winning the day here. The coconut milk is really lovely and rich and creamy. Yeah. Is it worth £4? Yes. You need some rice, of course. You need some rice, and I would also be inclined to perhaps pick up some naan bread. I know it's Indian, or maybe some poppadoms to go with it. 7%, 7 grams, 35% saturated fat. I mean, I'm a firm believer of balance. We'll get back to the ingredients in a moment, but I'm a firm believer in balance. I don't mind eating that 30-odd% saturated fat, I really don't. Because we've had a rather wet weekend here in Wales. The chicken is incredible. And I'm going to edit and upload this video to YouTube. And then I'm going to put my shoes on, put my warm hat on and go for a walk. And that's the key. That's the key. I think I wouldn't have this for my lunch necessarily if I worked in an office maybe. And I was sat in front of a computer all day. It would be amazing. It would be great. It would break up my day. I'm not really an office job type of person. I've done it in the past, but I struggle being indoors all the time. I'm much more kind of building sites type outside work me. But my point is, by going for a few mile walk this afternoon, lunchtime, you're soon walking off that saturated fat. So I really don't mind having this for my lunch or breakfast. So I'm ready to rate this. It's really good. I remember being a young 20-year-old, and I remember trying Thai green curry for the first time. It was at my nan's house, and one of her relatives made a big pot of this Thai green curry. And I remember eating it after a few pints. Me and my granddad sitting in the corner with spoons, eating Thai green curry. And we were like, whoa, what is this? This is like mind-blowingly good food. The little bit of spice that's going on right now, the gingers, the coconuts, wonderful, wonderful. And we thought this woman was a magician. This reminds me of my first time eating Thai green curry in my 20s. That's really good. That's really good. That's a 9 out of 10. Well worth the £4. 9 out of 10. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.